Snakes have a way of capturing our imagination like few other creatures. Whether it's their incredible size, their raw power, or the way they move with such quiet grace, these reptiles command attention wherever they're found. From the shadowy depths of dense jungles to the sun-drenched savannas, snakes rule their domains with an air of mystery and awe. They're predators, survivors, and marvels of evolution. Today, we're diving into the top 10 biggest snakes in the world, each one a testament to the incredible diversity and wonder of life on Earth. Number 10. Burmese python. The Burmese python is a true giant of the snake world, often stretching up to an impressive 18 feet long. Native to the lush jungles of Southeast Asia, these massive constrictors are as beautiful as they are powerful, with striking patterns that make them stand out. But don't let their calm demeanor fool you. When it's time to hunt, they're fierce ambush predators, capable of taking down prey as large as deer. Sadly, they've become an invasive species in places like Florida, where they've disrupted local ecosystems. Despite their intimidating size, Burmese pythons are surprisingly popular in the exotic pet trade, though they're definitely not for beginners. Their adaptability, strength, and sheer presence make them one of the most fascinating reptiles on the planet. Number 9. Amethystine python. Meet the amethystine python, also known as the scrub python, Australia's largest snake, capable of growing up to a jaw-dropping 27 feet long. Named for their stunning iridescent scales that shimmer like amethyst in the sunlight, these snakes are as beautiful as they are powerful. They're incredibly versatile hunters, equally at home climbing trees or swimming through water, making them masters of their rainforest habitats. While they're non-venomous, their sheer size and strength make them formidable predators. Despite their intimidating presence, they play a vital role in keeping their ecosystems balanced. With their breathtaking beauty and raw power, the amethystine python is a true wonder of the natural world. Number 8. Reticulated python. The reticulated python isn't just any snake, it's the longest in the world, with some individuals stretching over 30 feet. Native to the jungles and forests of Southeast Asia, these giants are famous for their intricate, net-like patterns that look like nature's own artwork. What's even more impressive is their strength and agility, allowing them to take down prey as large as wild boars and even small deer. Though they're non-venomous, their size and power make them one of the most feared predators in their habitat. Beyond their fearsome reputation, they're also admired for their stunning beauty, often kept by experienced snake enthusiasts. The reticulated python is a true marvel of nature, combining power, beauty, and resilience in one awe-inspiring package. Number 7. Central African rock python. One of Africa's largest snakes, the Central African rock python can grow up to an impressive 20 feet long. These powerful constrictors thrive in a variety of habitats, from open savannas to dense forests, showcasing their incredible adaptability. Known for their aggressive nature, they're capable of taking down large prey like antelopes and even crocodiles. While they're not venomous, their sheer size and strength make them a force to be reckoned with. Despite their fearsome reputation, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems by controlling prey populations. Their presence is a powerful reminder of nature's raw strength and the delicate balance that keeps ecosystems thriving. Number 6. Green anaconda. When it comes to sheer bulk, the green anaconda takes the crown as the heaviest snake in the world, with some individuals tipping the scales at over 500 pounds. These massive reptiles call the swamps and rivers of South America home, where they've mastered the art of swimming and ambush hunting. Known for their incredible strength, they can take down prey as large as capybaras, caimans, and even jaguars. While they're not the longest snakes, their sheer size and power make them one of the most intimidating predators on the planet. Despite their fearsome reputation, they rarely pose a threat to humans, preferring to avoid confrontation. Their ability to thrive in aquatic environments is a testament to their remarkable adaptability, making them true kings of the wetlands. Number 5. King cobra. The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake, reaching up to 18 feet. Found in Southeast Asia, it's famous for its iconic hood and deadly venom, capable of killing an elephant in one bite. Despite its fearsome reputation, it's shy and avoids humans. Playing a vital role in ecosystems, it helps control rodent populations. With its majestic presence and deadly precision, the king cobra is one of nature's most fascinating creatures. Its ability to command respect while maintaining a low profile makes it a true marvel of the animal kingdom. Number 4. Black mamba. Few snakes strike fear like the black mamba, known for its speed, aggression, and deadly venom. Found in sub-Saharan Africa, it can grow up to 14 feet long. Despite its name, its scales are usually gray or brown, but the inside of its mouth is jet black, a warning sign when it feels threatened. Black mambas are incredibly fast, capable of slithering at speeds of up to 12 miles per hour, making them one of the quickest snakes in the world. While they're not the largest, their deadly reputation and unmatched precision in striking make them a true icon of danger and power in the wild. Number 3. Eastern diamondback. The eastern diamondback is North America's largest venomous snake, growing up to 8 feet long. Known for its diamond-shaped patterns and loud rattle, it's a master ambush predator, using venom to take down prey like rabbits and birds. Despite its fearsome reputation, it plays a key role in controlling rodent populations. Sadly, habitat loss and human activity have made it a threatened species. Its presence reminds us of nature's delicate balance and the need for conservation. Number 2. Boa constrictor. Few snakes are as recognizable as the boa constrictor, which can grow up to an impressive 13 feet long. Native to Central and South America, these powerful constrictors use their muscular bodies to squeeze the life out of their prey. They're incredibly adaptable, thriving in a variety of environments, from lush rainforests to arid deserts. Despite their size, they're popular in the exotic pet trade thanks to their relatively calm and docile nature. Boa constrictors are a perfect example of nature's beauty and power, and their ability to adapt to different habitats showcases their remarkable resilience. Number 1. Titanoboa cerrejonensis. The Titanoboa cerrejonensis was the largest snake ever, reaching 42 feet and weighing over a ton. This prehistoric giant lived 60 million years ago in Colombia, ruling as an apex predator. It could take down massive prey like crocodiles and giant turtles. Its discovery offers a glimpse into Earth's ancient biodiversity. Titanoboa's legacy reminds us of nature's awe-inspiring scale and power. From the ancient Titanoboa to the giants of today, these snakes remind us just how incredible nature can be. Which one amazed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the world of these fascinating reptiles, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more wild and wonderful content. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.